lightning. Swag.
Oh, it's coming.
That's 2 miles away.
We used to get hardcore tropical storms in Australia because we were right on the ocean. So, the way I would come up to the fountain as a little kid, they'd be like, oh, it's just the gods bowling. I'd look out the window, the trees are bending down.
I got that.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did you? It's hailing.
Really?
It's raining and hailing here.
I've never seen hail, and I can't because it's too dark.
Oh, you'll get hit by it when we go outside. It's okay. Start getting dressed. You ready to go like that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Well, what time does Katie leave? It's 6:25.
It's 6 what?
25.
6:30.
Oh. Hey, lightning, you should strike down again like right away.
No. It shouldn't.
No, I
Because
like
it will hit.
swag.
Holy fuck.
It struck like right behind that house over there.
Did it?
But, well, no, like in between, like in the middle
Yeah.
of those two lightnings.
It's scary.
It hit ground too, because it was like full.
Yeah.
And it's cool.
Shit.
I love lightning. I'm obsessed with it.
You want some 3D glasses?
I was just gonna say that. Like, why didn't I bring
I
mine?
have some.
Really? You better go grab them, because I'm totally wearing them.
I've never seen white lightning. It's like the big ones.
I'm gonna wear them on our way to Kate's. Oh, I missed it. Escape. It's like thunder, lightning. The way you love me is fine. Bleeding? Bleeding. Oh.